Hello, my name is Craig Roberts and I'm with Sunbright Coatings. Today we want to demonstrate the strength of SR-17 and our sister product, Skunk Rust. Before you is two demonstrations done about a week ago. This hood was sandblasted, left out, and re-rusted. Instead of re-sandblasting and possibly warping this trunk lid, we used SR-17 to remove all the ferric oxide and leave a coating. This was done a week ago and it's been raining and sunny and raining and sunny. As you can see, we're holding the blast and not letting the corrosion to return. So let me show you how we did that. Okay, now here we are with the hood of the same vehicle. The hood was sandblasted, owner didn't get to it, and the hood re-rusted, and here we are needing to re-blast it. Instead of re-blasting and risking warping the metal, we're taking SR-17 and we're going to remove the rust and give you a paintable surface. Currently the temperature of the steel is only 94 degrees. Traditionally I like about 120 out in the sunshine, but this should work just fine. All you need to do is have a 3M scratch pad, SR-17, spray it on the steel, and rub it in. Your only responsibility is once you've finished here, it must dry. It has to completely dry. After that, you can paint it or not. It will not rust. There you go. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. As you can see now, it is dry. The SR-17 and or Skunk Rust has dried. We removed all the ferric oxide. And this is the same results as the results we have over here we did last week. And these hoods and trunk are from the same vehicle. As you can see, we are holding the blast for a lot longer than 48 hours. We're holding the blast for weeks. SR-17 and Skunk Rust will hold this blast for 2 days, 2 weeks, even 2 months, leaving you a paintable surface.